Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage from the land of mini Rotor Turbosky. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome once again another mini into the channel, and this time an unexpected mini, right? You know, Rotor Turbosky. Well, no, this is not the mini. No, this is the freaking big old helicopter where Mater wanted to take a ride. You know, his Mater is in there. But who would have thought, right? Who would have thought that Mattel would make this big old helicopter a mini? No one, including myself. You know, that's kind of like the last thing we thought, right? That Turbosky will be in the mini. But hey, you know what? Surprise to you, surprise to me. He is gonna be right in there in the minis world. Anyhow, let's get this big fella out of here because he is just tremendous. You know, he does not fit in the regular world. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and once again we have another new 2021 mini in the land of minis. Please welcome box number 14, Rotor Turbosky. Yes, that's his name. Rotor Turbosky. He is a helicopter on a mini. And here's the clip from the helicopter where Mater's finally having the ride of his life. And remember one thing. It's that Lightning McQueen promised Mater that he was going to give him the ride on the helicopter. So just think about that. If you ever make a promise, you know, fulfill that promise. Otherwise, you're not gonna look that great. And that is one thing with Lightning McQueen. He has, you know, a war of men making the promise or the news of today, right? In other news, it turns out the all the gyms, most of the gyms here in Southern California are fully open, and it looks like everyone wanted to work out because the parking lot where the gym, there's a gym that I live nearby. Oh my goodness, it was fully packed. There was no parking. I mean, I don't go to the gym because I'm as lazy as Mater. But wow, that's good news, right? It's good news for Southern California that the gyms are finally back to normal. And here it is. First look for me and you. Let's put him on the pedestal. Check him out. Let's drop our camera. Trust me, I am surprised as you, because I have never expected this guy out of all the cars in the car. Alright, let's check out Turbosky up close and personal. Yes, I am surprised as you that the helicopter came out on the mini. Definitely. I was actually expecting other minis. Never in my mind or in my thoughts that the helicopter will come in the mini. Absolutely. It's almost like Betsy coming in the mini, right? Yeah, it's unexpected. But hey, look. Mattel actual delivery. And as you know, the rotor works, which is actually great. This is the top rotor. And you have the tail rotor, which is a no-go, right? It's just painted, embedded in the body. Door does not open, so don't even bother opening the door. It has no wheels. I mean, you could only put so many details on this Mini. You see? Uh-huh. How about that? Nice and neat. Overall, it's a pretty good actual. I can't call him a car because it's not a car. It's a helicopter. But from a Mini's perspective, not bad. Not bad at all. It's best to have it than not ever have it. I am just having fun. What the hell's going on? Oh, that's my lighting. I'm just having fun with that rotor. And does it fit? Does it fit in the case? Let's find out. We are going to zoom in. Oh yeah, we want to remove number 22. If you hear all that noise is coming from this mean looking light that I got. Okay. All right, let's find out. Is it gonna fit? Yes, no. Yes, he fits. Not perfectly, right? But he does fit, and he looks decent. Not bad. Right next to McQueen and Cruz. So overall, I am not disappointed. I am surprised. It's a little different, but not disappointed. Anyways, let's get him out. And let's put him back. It's not really, you know, much to say unless we compare him with this big fella. Holy, he doesn't even fit in here. Let's try that out right there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is as close as I could get it to the camera for your view. Not bad, not bad at all. Yeah. Uh huh. Check that out. See. See if I could focus. No, I cannot focus. There you have them, ladies and gentlemen. Box number 14, Rotor Turbosky for your delight. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. And definitely thank you for your subscription. And for the most part, thank you for keep coming back to the channel. And we will see you. We will see you back tomorrow. Yeehaw!